This 30-year-old young man came to a large-scale woodworking factory to apply for a master craftsman position and demanded a monthly salary of $10,000. Upon hearing this, the boss was so surprised that he spat out the hot water he had just sipped. The old master carpenters present couldn't help but burst into laughter. They all said, "We've been working for over 20 years, and even with overtime, we only make about $3,000 a month. You, a young man just over 30, dare to make such an outrageous demand. Do you have the skills for that?" The boss figured that since the young man dared to make such an outrageous demand, he must have come prepared. So he brought out some scrap wood to test the young man's skills. The boss said, "If you can use this wood to make a piece of furniture that satisfies me within one day, I'll add an extra $1,000 to your monthly salary." The young man was full of confidence. He picked up the wooden boards and began his exquisite work. His movements were very skilled, his cuts were extremely precise, and he remained calm and composed throughout. The young man's woodworking skills didn't come out of nowhere. He grew up in a family of carpenters and started learning woodworking from his father when he was around 10 years old. By now, he has over 20 years of woodworking experience. Any piece of wood in his hands can be transformed from waste into treasure. Sure enough, after a day of tireless effort, the young man finally created an exquisite and magnificent piece of craftsmanship. When the finished product came out, everyone present was stunned. They said they had never seen such skills from someone in their 30s. Even the old masters admitted they couldn't match him. Without further ado, let's immerse ourselves in watching the young man create this exquisite piece of craftsmanship. By the end, you'll understand what it means to find true masters among ordinary people. When you see this step, this beautiful and unique piece of furniture is complete. Although the video is only a few minutes long, this man actually spent 7,746 hours to complete this task. So please encourage other craftsmen. Your support is the driving force behind our continuous creation. Thank you. Can you rate this piece of furniture? If the highest score is 100, how many points would you give it? Feel free to leave a comment. See you next time.